Imagine you spent an entire year working towards one event. You are working and planning 364 days a year. And the next thing you know, it's showtime. This vlog might be a little messy. To me, it just shows the more natural fun that you see at Rods and Ribeyes, where everybody knows everybody, and if you don't, you're gonna by the time you leave. It's just good people having good fun with great vehicles, and at the end of the day, you cruise to the lake and you have some steak. If you can come up with a more perfect day than that, then by all means. While me and Travis both would be way too busy the day of to do any kind of vlogging, I got the vlog set up ready first thing in the morning and handed it to Ira. And before we give Ira the camera and jump into it, make sure to like and subscribe. It helps us give the automotive community the most entertaining events and content. So I hope you'll help us out and stick around to the end of the video as well. All right, passing the vlog set up to Ira.
Thank you, sir.
All right, can't wait.
I'll do my best. Would you like to say anything for the camera, sir?
It's gonna be a great game.
Oh, it's good to see you. Are you, you're not going to be parking with any vendors, are you?
CCC.
Okay.
He's got me a spot right over by Flute.
Okay. All right. That thing's cool. Shoot, it's gonna be a mess for a while. Big mess. Got you on the interview.
What's up, man? How you doing?
I'm all right. I got you on video here.
Oh, awesome.
What's going on? How are y'all? What's going on?
What's up, man?
See, you still got my car.
Got another one for you, though.
Uh-oh. Said you got another one?
Yeah. Not this, but I got another one.
Another Cadillac?
Another 63 Impala. You in the market for a 63?
Maybe. What does it look like?
Well, like all of them, rusty.
Y'all are here just in time.
I know it.
How's it going?
I'm pretty good.
You want to say anything for the camera?
Happy to be here, and my truck's nothing special, so
Oh, it's special.
we're having a good time.
That's right. You like to say anything for the camera?
Hey man, Louisiana Classics, Rods and Ribeyes 2024. Ready to have a good time, baby.
Want to say anything for the camera?
Good day for car show.
That's right.
Get a good shot of me.
You want to say anything for the camera, sir?
I'm just happy to be here.
How's it going?
Good. How are you doing?
Oh,
today?
pretty good. How you doing today?
Good, how you doing?
Would you like to say anything for the camera?
Good to be here, having a good time.
That's right. Just busting. Mr. Escobar,
How you doing, brother?
I got you on an interview right now.
Okay, hey.
Gonna have
Saludos desde El Dorado, Arkansas.
gonna have a good time today.
Oh, yes, sir.
I haven't tried a single excuse to start yet.
You guys are in the vlog.
Yeah. It's a vlog.
Would you ladies like to say anything? No?
What are you being, Chance's yard dog?
Yeah, I got to do all the vlogging today.
Oh, that ain't good.
I've been interviewing everybody that pulls in, like, hey, sir, would you like to say anything for the camera? A lot of them are like, no, I don't guess so.
Yeah. I'm already playing.
Videoing you, sir. Woohoo!
Rods and Ribeyes. I feel like I need to walk my car. What's up, man?
All right, give us an interview, sir.
Looks like your battery getting low.
Yep. Built. Oh, this is a sick truck. Built.
That thing won't bother us.
Got you on camera.
Oh God, no.
What's up?
Alright. There's some dude from Kentucky.
Fast Five.
YouTube celebrity right there.
That's right. Thank you, Southwest Whips, for helping us.
Yeah.
I like what they did with this dog course.
Yeah,
Oh yeah. Is that a Cummins?
Mm-hmm.
Yep, sure is. I see it down there now.
people. That's the motor that everybody wants.
Pretty cool. That's what James needs right there.
I can see him running around Chester.
Oh yeah. This is my style right here.
The bald guy's gonna help you.
How are y'all doing today? You want to say anything for the video?
Yeah, we're with Voodoo Visions, powder coating, just burgers. We work in, we live in Ruston.
Okay.
Right off Highway 80.
Let's check out the prize here.
You're welcome to pick up any of these and look at them, put them in.
They shine nice in the sunlight.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
Thank you.
So y'all are at, I'm gonna get a card because I might need something done.
You're welcome to pick them. Ira pawned off all this on me for some reason. I have zero clue why he done it, but here we are anyways. Since Chance and Ira pawned this off on me, it's now the adventures of Biggie and Spice. Do I get to be Biggie?
That's the man right
What
there.
drivetrain is it?
It's all Lincoln.
All Lincoln.
It's all Lincoln up in there.
Oh yeah.
We have like actual spots left.
Yeah, one.
Ooh.
We're just gonna start putting people in the street over there and do our best not to block the fire department. This is, I told y'all, this is the year we're doing it. We did it.
We did it.
Father, I thank you for the opportunity that we've had to rekindle friendships with people we haven't seen in a while. We've had an opportunity to meet new people. And Father, I thank you for the opportunity to just be around people of like interest.
That's the biggest group that we've ever had. All right, so let's do our sponsors awards.
After Travis finally quit blubbering, that wrapped up the show. We had roughly 250 vehicles. Beautiful day. Everybody seemed to have a great time. Unbelievable quality of vehicles. So with that wrapped, it's time to cruise onto the lake. So one of the great things about the cruise out to the lake is that I set up my lights and everybody that drives through gets to have a picture if they want a picture of their vehicle. One of the things I've thought about making as a video is how I edit these and the show pictures. The two are very different. One, I'm using professional lights, and then the show this year I didn't. So if you'd like to see that, it's something you can even do on your phone with your phone pictures, a lot of it. Just let me know if that's something you'd be interested in. After the lake, we're exhausted, and we're headed back to finally get us some steaks. But basically, we just ate steak, and then we hung out with friends. I went to shoot some more of the festival, and by the time that wrapped up, we get back to the showgrounds to get our vehicles and everything else, and we see one of our buddies that you might remember from earlier in the video with his Blazer jacked up still in the show parking lot. I thought I was just going to get some good video of him changing out the fuel pump here, but then we had a rather friendly guy come up and strike some conversation with, and I thought I'd just leave that in because I had entertaining time, looking through it. I'm going to quit talking and just let it speak for itself.
Is it tightened up against the block?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm not cross-threaded.
Doesn't look like from down here.
I don't think it is. It's just that it tightened up so quick it concerned me.
It's a 350? No. What is it?
454 with a supercharger? Well, heck, that probably makes
Old Ben Miller.
as much as a stock LS with a turbo on it.
Need that hose off. You taking it off? Yeah.
Are we done yet?
Just about. Careful.
There you go.
You didn't need that skin anyways.
That was like a parental. Careful.
Yeah, my hands were like beat up with
don't touch that. Yeah, we could have took this to the dealership. Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, you could. Yeah, you could put it on the lift.
Oopsie.
I didn't think it'd be this big of a deal going through this, but
Good.
yeah, it is pretty beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, but it was right on the
Fuel pump. Oh yeah, we're changing out the fuel pump.
It's only good when it's cold, So what would you talk about? Okay, so what would you say about this experience right now, right? This moment. Would you say this is the moment, right? Do you guys happen to have a couple quarters to make a dollar? Just
And I'm just over here eating empanadas that Yuli's grandma made it. They're delicious.
We haven't even seen him this entire clip since we got out here.
And the most interject. Eating a cheddar cup in all day now that I've got some sweets in me. But old grandma. Oh God.
Oh man.
Down too, buddy.
You got the roll out, man? Hell yeah, it's gonna meet you, dog. Just type in Rods, R-O-D-S.
RODS
And A-N-D.
and DND
R-I-B.
RI.
Actually, thought.
E-Y-E-S.
Wait, R.
I could.
Chance, do you know how to type?
The top one. All right.
Right there.
I stayed in prayer, before I came out here. I was in prayer, man.
I'm talking about.
I want to go back to Tijuana, I want to go back to Tijuana. I live comfortable out there, but like, beautiful thing about it, bro, is that God exists there. Like, you have no idea, man. Like God is in every person, like mine, bro, to the point, like, they forget about, like, all these military, like, all these martial art, bro.
Yeah.
They forget about martial art, bro. Like, they're so focused in God, bro, to the point, like God will provide. God will give you a better life.
If your foot pump goes out, you can fix it.
Regardless,
Everything's good. Always good to meet you, man.
All right, well,
Hope you have a good evening, dog.
I live in Magnolia, bro.
That was not the commentary of the fuel pump I expected.
Yep. Not yet.
I don't see any leaks yet. You can see the bottom of it. Oh.
Pumping now.
Checking the oil.
Yeah, you're good.
I did an oil change on Thursday. My 54 car doesn't have an oil filter. They didn't come with one back then.
Yeah.
So I was just like, well, it's run for 70 years, so why would I put one on it? So
Like,
my oil, even though if I change it, it's always black.
Who is it us to judge engineers?
Yeah. So I told my wife, I was like, do we really even need oil filters?
And that wraps up the 2024 show vlog. I know this episode was a little all over the place, but I really enjoyed watching it and making it, so hopefully you did as well. And let me know what your favorite part of Rods and Ribeyes is, whether you came or whether you just watched the video and maybe you had a favorite moment in the video. Just let us know what you like the most, and we really hope to see you next year.